Hey everyone, let me show you one of our client that is in the travel niche. So for this client, the last 12 months he have closed close to 2.4 million USD in sales. And for this client, since he is in travel niche, which is going to be booming in the Q4 as well. So we are having a target of close to crossing this year with 3.5 million USD to 4 million USD this year with this client. Now what are the things we are doing? What the exact strategies I am going to share, the same things we are going to also implement in our Indian clients as well. So let me just go through this and let me first show you the sales numbers for this client. So for this client, you can see if I just refresh and change the date range to same time last year and hit apply, you can see it is around 2.4 million USD, and this year we have a target of closing 3.5 to 4 million USD. Now the same strategies you can use in Great India Sale as well, or Q4. So let me just share you the slides and go through the video. So here let me share the slides with you. So Q4 checklist, things to look for to get the yearly sale in a quarter. Obviously it is a big claim, but I am sure you know it. If you have gone through Q4 several times, you know that you can exactly get the yearly sale in just a quarter. That is how much traffic Amazon gives in a quarter. Same for Great India Sale in India as well. So first is gifting keywords campaign. Now how do you create those? So gifting keywords, by gifting keywords I don't mean only put those keywords in the campaign like gifts for men, gifts for women, Christmas gifts, gifts for Christmas. Don't use these keywords alone. Generally this keyword have very high search volume, very high cost per click, CPC, but for these keywords the conversion rate is very less. So I doubt you hardly want to spend that money in less conversion keyword. So what you need to do is you need to use niche name along with the keywords to target. Let me give you an example. Niche name plus gifts for men, niche name plus gifts for women, niche name plus Christmas gifts, niche name plus gifts for Christmas. The example will be like this: cycling gifts for men. So you are combining the niche name along with the gifting keyword. Barbecue gifts for men. Same way you have to craft this. Now when you are looking to find this keywords, because there will be a lot of keywords same as gifts for men, gifts for women, Christmas gifts, gifts for Christmas, and a lot more related to the dates and the days. So you can easily get those through Helium 10, but don't look at search volume so much when you go and look for those keywords, because you will see search volume will be flat, but trust me, the conversion are really high based on our experiences. And also to when we talk to other agency owners, we see that they also have observed the same kind of scenario. Number 2, Q4 ranking campaigns. Now, why I am telling you this is because I am sure you must have observed that 85% of clicks comes from only first page of the search result. Ranking of a keyword is determined by 90 days rolling sales history. 90 days. That means if you are going out of stock constantly, check that. You better check that, otherwise it is going to hurt your sales in Q4 as well. Now, mobile view or app view. In app, you must have observed that it shows close to 20 or less than 20 listings in the search results. So ranking in mobile is very important, and you better check that whether you are in the first 20 spots or not. You know, there is a saying that goes, there is a joke that goes around Amazon community and Google Ads community, that if you want to hide a dead body, hide it on the second page of search result, because no one goes in the second page of search result. Now check the indexing and ranks of the keywords that have converted on the last 90 days. You have to go run those reports down of the last 90 days where you have converted for sale. Take those keywords out and check whether for those keywords you are ranking in the first page or not. If not, you need to create campaigns, few exact match campaigns, and sometimes you need to create phrase match campaigns as well, just to find out some long tail version of the exact match. So Do reverse ASIN of competitors, look into organic rank or on any reverse ASIN tool and find opportunities to rank. Search volume, organic rank, relevancy, those are a few metrics to look at. Now, this is how you check the new keywords and the indexing part. So relevancy, if you have a question how to check relevancy, so take the top 10 competitors, do a reverse ASIN, copy it in a sheet, then apply a filter that basically calculates that for each keyword, what are the common ASINs that are ranked in the first page, how many of the common ASINs are ranked. Based on that, how many competitors are ranked, you will find the relevancy. The more competitors ranked for that keyword, the higher the relevancy will be. I have a complete video demonstrating that. Now the next is retargeting for visitors of advertised product. You can set back for each campaign, you have to create this 4 targeting in one campaign. 7 days retargeting, like look back period, you can set 7 days, you can put the look back period 14 days, you can put the look back period 30 days and 90 days. All 4 targetings will be used in one campaign. So why we are doing it, basically generally customers that went into your listing in the last 90 days, within the last 90 days, they will generally look for an offer or to buy your product in this offer season or sale season. Now the next thing is re-optimize listing from the title to all text of A+ content based on order of relevancy. I'm sure maximum of you don't even optimize the all text. Do reverse ASIN, same as I mentioned earlier, and also add the last 90 days keywords that you have got conversion. Use those based on relevancy from title towards all text. That is how you re-optimize your listing. The next is omnipresence strategy. Now I have a complete video dedicating this omnipresence strategy. I'll attach a link in the description below as well. So omnipresence campaign is like this. You have to find the keywords in which you have got conversion in the last 90 days, in which you are ranked in the first page. After finding those keywords, you need to put those keywords in couple of campaigns. First is a headline search ad campaigns where you are using custom image, large lifestyle image that shows at the top, takes like 20% of the screen. Next, your sponsored ad should show up just below that because you're organic ranked already for that keyword. Next comes your organic listing. So you're already taking 3 spots now. Next comes the video. Video takes 2 spots. First the video, then the listing. Now I'm sure you will take more than 80% of the search result. That is what omnipresence strategy is. You're not focusing on a lot of keywords, you are focusing on only those which you have got conversion and in which you are already ranked organically. There are a few other things that you need to consider, like replace search term and alt text with gifting keywords related to your product. Now if you are asking me, can we replace search term? Yes. Once the search term are indexed one time, you can replace it and the indexing will still be there. Try a few deals. There are a few deals that you can try. Lightning deal, 7-day deal and top deals. These are the deals you should try based on how much margin you have in the products. Add coupons. You see those digital coupons that where the customer have to click check box. Put money off. Don't use percentage because it takes time for the brain to calculate from percentage to money. So better just put money off. $5 off or 50 rupees off, something like that. Listing images and A+ modules, try to put some image that shows that the product is giftable. This will tremendously increase your conversion rate, trust me on that. Now which spot you need to put, try putting in the second or third image. Try putting it in the second or third image, and in A+ you can put anywhere. Don't put it on the last module. Now social proof, you need to go back, especially if you're in supplements, you need to go back and check the ratings and the reviews for social proof. If it is less, try to get some. I'm not telling you the ways to get, but try to get some. Okay, now I hope this video really helps you. I'll bring on more case studies on how Q4 went for our clients, and you can also join with us whenever you want. Thank you so much. I'll see you again in the next video.